Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Deb. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a vintage piece of furniture and with just a few changes, make it look absolutely awesome. And then I will show you where I use that piece of furniture in my own home. So stay tuned and we'll get right to it. I was given this dresser. It also has a mirror that I've already removed right there. Okay. I'm going to just give it a little makeover and see how pretty we can make this. While cleaning, I removed the drawer pulls. Okay, this is the guest room where the dresser will go when it's finished. I may move the desk right here and put the dresser here. And then I will either put, if there's room, I will put that desk over in this corner. But I think it's going to be a pretty tight squeeze. I think that might be too crowded. If it is, then we will move this bookcase back to the other side of the door and put this desk over by the door and the new dresser, or the one that I'm refinishing right here. Finish cleaning this room, and I'll work on that while the paint is drying on the dresser. Here's the guest room before I get the furniture moved back in. I've taken out 2 bookcases, leaving one, flip the rug across instead of just under the bed. And that's where we are right now. Got vacuuming still to do a little bit and get the new dresser and the desk back in. Now I'm going to move this dresser back into the guest room. After I get it in there, then we'll put the drawers in and put the mirror back on it. I purchased new hardware for this dresser for the drawers from Amazon, and I am just so pleased with them. They are beautiful, they're heavy. Take a look at how the dresser turned out. I love it. And it's such a simple redo. I added hardware and just painted the drawers and the trim around the mirror. Okay, I'm going to finish up this room and then we'll look at everything finished in here. The complete picture. Before I show you the room, I want to go over what I used, the products that I used. First, cleaned it with Murphy cleansing spray. Then the wood that I did not paint, I went over with this Restore Finish, and this is just neutral. I did not use steel wool like it said. I just put it on a cloth and used it very gently. The drawers and the bracket that's holding the mirror is painted with this bare satin door and trim enamel. I've done kitchen cabinets in this kind of paint. This paint works. It levels out nicely, and I like it. Anyway, this is what I used on the drawers and the holder for the mirror. I can finish the bedroom now, the guest room, because what I was waiting for were some new lampshades, and they finally got here. So you can watch me learn how to put them together. Let's see. Of course, the cat wants to play in the box. Okay. So it came with 2 shades. It's supposed to be very easy put together, so we'll find out now. So it says this is the top, and this is the bottom. I've never had shades like this before. Well, it looks like there's some little clips here, so I'm assuming they hook on right here. Sometimes it's easier for me just to do it instead of reading the directions, because by the time I figure out what they want me to do, I could have had it done. So this is nice. It just has little clips at the top. It is very easy to assemble so far. We'll see what happens by the time I get the bottom on there. How about that? So I assume we do the bottom the same way. That is pretty nifty. Little clips just inside the cloth part, and they just hook really good on this little frame. Okay, so far looking good. Okay, I'm gonna finish the other one and see you back in the guest room. That's just perfect. I do like it up higher. So I'm gonna change out the other one and then we'll check out the whole room. The lampshades worked perfectly. I'm really happy I bought those. They were simple to assemble. Here's the dresser all finished, but I put a basket of treats here, and there will be fresh linens in the drawer, pretty basket that was thrifted. Like I said, almost everything in here is thrifted anyway. But the dresser turned out just beautifully. I'm very pleased with it. And it just was a simple redo. I did not spend a lot of time on it, but I just made changes that you can see. Well, I did repair one of the drawers, but I'm very happy with the way it looks in here. And there's the other lampshade. Those shades work out nice. I'm ready for guest. Now I just need guest. So I am very grateful for the dresser. I love the vintage touch it gives to this room. Give it a try. See what piece of furniture you can change to make it a little bit more pleasing for you to go in your home and help your home be your happy place. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.